Told my baby I ain't nothing like the last one, so she gon' hold it down till the back come. Break the bread down to the last crumb. She been solid way before I ever had none. Set on fire, that ain't alright, so I'll be up until the morning. I come alive in the moonlight, and what I'm whipping it ain't foreign. So all I'm asking is you hold me down. I don't want no drama when you come around, 'cause I be on fire and another sound. Ain't nobody got time for the run around. See they coming, maybe this the life I lead. Some days I want, but I might not need. And there's some days I want, but I might not need. Start going up, it's getting pricey. In the lab, getting litty with the wifey. Snakes in the grass trying to bite me. Next year ain't no telling what it might be. Spray him in the crib, keep him to myself. I have a tendency to give when I need some help. Really need to hear my brother tell him how it felt, 'cause anything about to change till you let yourself. So all I'm asking is you hold me down. I don't want no drama when you come around, 'cause I be on fire and another sound. Ain't nobody got time for the run around. See they coming, maybe this the life I lead. Some days I want, but I might not need. And there's some days I want, but I might not concentrate. I ain't trying to lose my focus. I feel obligated to give it all I can, even though I've lost my patience. And I ain't trying to leave myself so open, not today. And I won't leave them too intoxicated. So all I'm asking is you hold me down. I don't want no drama when you come around, 'cause I be on my fire and another sound. Ain't nobody got time for the run around. See they coming, maybe this the life I lead. Some days I want, but I might not need. And there's some days I want, but I might not need. But I might not need. Some days I want, but I might not need.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of.
Hey guys, as you can see, we just came from the alteration place to bring my two outfits that I got and I showed in my last video to be altered. And you can check that video out if you don't know what I'm talking about. But when I tried on the pink jumpsuit with the spot like a blush colors with like little polka dot Dalmatian print on it, she actually said that she didn't recommend that it be altered. So that one didn't get altered, but when I tried on the green one, I showed her where I wanted to taper at the ankle, and then she was able to do she said she'll be able to do that. But I was surprised because like you guys saw how the blush colored jumpsuit fit, and she actually did not recommend that it be altered, so I thought that was weird. But my husband also got a couple things, which you guys probably saw in the video, got a couple things altered as well. So we'll see how it fits. I'll probably have to update that in another video because it won't be ready until next week, and this video will be out this week. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Driving down the freeway at night, I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sun